again because I'm dumb full. Cheers! This is like a crazy way to be coming on here to say hey. It's okay because you know we're about to get together, we're about to get right. Sometimes we can't always look our best. And that's me right now. I look a mess. But I'm about to get right. I'm about to get this face, get this hair, get this body. Everything's about to look real good, okay? That being said, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Or if you're new, hey, I'm Bree. Hope you can stay. So, today's video, well, today I am going to brunch to celebrate my cousin's birthday. So I gotta get ready. I gotta do my hair. I gotta do my face. I gotta get my fit. Then we're gonna pop out outside. And we're gonna have a great time. Honestly, these eye masks are very essential right now because your girl is tired, exhausted, sleepy, restless, all of the above. This week has just been way too much for me. I got bags for days. I have not been getting any sleep. I got a pimple coming in, so I got a pimple patch on. Just give me some grace, okay? Just give me some grace. But anyways, like I said, we got to get right, okay? I actually am on a time crunch, as always. Let me get my brush. So it is currently 12:37. I need to be in the city by 2:30. So that means I need to leave by 1:30. Yeah. So, ouch. I went to the gym yesterday and I sweated out my hair. So my roots are like extremely puffy right now. And my whole head is just greasy as hell. So yeah, like I was saying, the hair is crazy. Everything is crazy. Yeah, we just gotta get right, okay? So we're gonna start with the hair. I need to re-flat iron it because I just straightened it last week. And if you saw my last video, last Vlogmas, my flat iron cut off on me, like it just stopped working. So I got this new one and hopefully it gets me right. Put this up real quick. Oh, you know what? Let me put some Olaplex bonding oil. This kind of works as like a heat protectant in a way. But it doesn't weigh down my hair, so that's why I like it. And then I'm gonna put some of this blow dry spray as well. Okay. So this morning, first off, I didn't go to sleep until like 5 a.m. But this morning I realized like I really don't have an outfit, so I had to run around tired as hell this morning trying to find an outfit. I found this one shirt. It's like the most basic shirt you can find. It's a white button up. But I was like, you know, I can make this cute. So that's the plan, to make it cute. So I'm about to get busy with this hair. And I'll come back to y'all when it's done.
Happy music.
Alright y'all, so the Bobbiana is straight. I don't know why. I just have a really hard time like straightening my hair. Like it can never come out the way I want it to. I don't know if it's the flat irons I'm using. I know you're supposed to use, I know titanium flat irons are better than ceramic, but I just use a ceramic flat iron, so maybe that's why it looks like this. I had my other flat iron that I used in the last vlog that died on me. That was titanium, and I see the difference. So it is currently 1:21. Oh my gosh, I need to hurry up. I don't really even have time. Okay, wait. I didn't realize what time it is. No. Okay, so we're gonna hydrate our face. I already did my skincare before, so got that out of the way. Oh, I got this pimple patch. Y'all, I did not realize what time it was. Okay, we might just do like a light beat. Honestly, it's nice outside, so like I don't know why, but like when I feel like it's nice outside, I feel like I don't need that much makeup on. I just need lashes. Where's my other primer? Yeah, like I was saying, I feel like when it's nice outside, I just feel like I don't have to put on makeup or put like a little bit of makeup. So I use the Hydro primer, the Hydro Grip Power Grip primer on like my T-zone area where I'm like more likely to like sweat or like become oily in my T-zone area. So I use that, but I still use a hydrating primer like all over my face. I'm gonna move you to this side. Okay. OMG, I gotta hurry up. I should fake do my makeup in the car. Like, get dressed now and do my makeup in the car. Are they too dark? I don't know. Have you guys been seeing that, what is it? No foundation routine? I think I'm gonna try that. Even though I really love, like, this skin tint is like just perfect. And it doesn't really give foundation. It's a skin tint, so it's not that heavy. I think I'm still gonna use this. I'm gonna use it like down here on this part of my face. I'm not gonna lie, none of my makeup brushes are clean, so hopefully I don't break out. Because my skin has been doing pretty good, aside from this little pimples I got from getting my eyebrows done. But I feel like I'm being so dead. I apologize. Let me put on some music so that I can get like hyped up and stuff, because you know, like I said, I'm really tired and it's still lingering right now. I'm just trying my best to be present with you guys.
Ain't gang if you let shit slide. Ain't bad if you got a dick
I honestly need as much concealer because your girl got bags for days, okay? They shenanigans though. They is definitely shenanigans. Shenanigans! Why am I like forgetting how to do my makeup? What is going on? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna speed through this because I can't really multitask right now. My brain is still sleeping. So I'm gonna just get myself together and I'll see you guys in the car. Yeah. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I had to literally zoom and get ready, but my cousin is like a few minutes away, so let me give you a little fit check. So I got this white button up. I originally had it tucked in, but I'm deciding that I'm gonna tie it, you know, make it real cute or whatever. I got this bag that I'm wearing. I'm gonna be wearing black boots and my black leather jacket, so hopefully you get the vision. I had some shades, but I don't think I'm gonna wear the shades. But I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna tie this shirt, because I don't wanna look like I'm going to a job interview. I wanna give Grwm a smexy, you know what I'm saying? We made it to the car on our way to brunch. Never let a clown nigga try to play you. If he play you, then rule number 2, fuck his best friend. Yeah, look at Central Park. It's so crowded in the city today because it's so nice out. It's like 53, 55 in December. Question mark, but I guess. But yeah, it's a lot going on in Central Park. We're like halfway there. We just gotta find parking. Oh, and we had to move the reservation 3 times because no one's making it on time. Happy birthday to the birthday boy! Oh wait, I'm gonna Did you have fun for your birthday? Sure did. What's this? That's my car and I told you. Oh yeah. She parked her car somewhere that's not really somewhere for her to park. But we'll find out. It's warm out. It's so nice out. Like, I feel like we should just go roam the city right now. I feel like the night should not end right now. I feel like we should be exploring the city. Wait, let me see. I see my car. I see my car. I see my car. Yo, I see my car. Young and so are we. I want to see the Spanish music. Oh, look. Oh, that's nice. What? There I go again, thinking some dumb fool. Think they Harold Juku, they just some young hoe. Hey. Let's the chorus, y'all.
Got this club up. Got this club up.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Thanks for coming, y'all! Alright, y'all, I am home now. I done got all washed up, clean, and everything in my PJs, because like I said, I will be going to bed at an early time tonight. I am not playing. I have been so like restless and tired all week. I need to catch up on my sleep. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas week 2. I know that this was kind of like not too Christmassy, but I still hope you had fun with me at brunch. I had a really good time celebrating my cousin. Definitely enjoyed ourselves. And Vlogmas week 3, we're gonna get back to the Christmas stuff. We're gonna put up the tree because I didn't get to do that yet, and then I need to go some more Christmas shopping and a bunch of other things. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in Vlogmas week 3. Bye.